In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube isn't responding error. So if you're facing this type of error, the first and foremost thing that you should do is go to Play Store, search for YouTube, and if there is any update available, simply update your YouTube. After you're done doing that, simply click and hold on to the YouTube icon, then click on More Features, go to App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here you will find Clear Data and Clear Cache. Simply click on Clear Cache. And if you're okay with being signed out and your data being deleted, you can click on Clear Data as well, confirm it, then you can sign into your YouTube again. And one last thing that you can do is simply press and hold on to the power button. From here, turn the slider upwards, then let your device get restarted. After that, your YouTube should start working again. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.